Introduction of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this DOOGEE device. Firstly, access Settings and scroll all the way down. Now select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Over here, click on Theme section, scroll down and tap on Show More over here. This way you can see all available themes. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. Manage key borders by clicking on this sweater and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into this exactly the same settings, but this time swipe up and click on this plus icon under my themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done, manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and finally click on Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized within a match. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!